Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today we are discussing about the second part of the adverbs. Okay, so I think in the previous video you have to know very well about the adverbs and its meaning and its kind. Okay, today we are going to discuss about its next parts, and before starting the video we have to receive it one by one. So you will see here is the adverb. This adverb word made by the two words, that will be adjective and verb. Okay, it is combination of two words, adjective and verb. When both are the match, then it will be adverb. And this adverb word is a word that qualifying or modifying. Okay, this type of the adverb, it means wherever you can see any word that is the qualifying or that is the modifying of a verb, adjective and some other words in a sentence, that word will be the adverb. Clear? And you can see kinds of adverb. You can see here adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of region, adverb of interrogative adverb. So previous day we have know very well about the three part of the adverb. First is time, second is frequency, and third is place. Clear? Now it means today we are discussing the next part of the adverbs. Clear? So for next part is, you can see here, adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Okay. I think you have to know very well about the meaning of manner. Okay, meaning of manner, it means way. Okay, way or method or a manner. Okay, when we watch its definition, the definition of manner, adverbs of manner show us how something happened. Okay, and our adverb of manner, that is the express how something happened. So wherever, when a verb in a sentence, we have to note down or we have to write the verb in a sentence, and that verb express that how something happens. Okay, that will be the adverb of manner. For example, Ramesh write neatly. Ramesh write neatly. She speaks loudly. Okay, she speaks loudly. So you can see here in the first sentence. First sentence is Ramesh writes. It will be writes. Okay, writes neatly. Okay, here the word write, that is the action word, and you can see next word is neatly, and this neatly word express how something happened, how the writes, how Ramesh writes. So you can see here this neatly word connected to the writes, and this neatly word modifying or qualifying of the word write, and it is the tell us, this word tell us how to write. It is the express the way of writing. Okay, and in the second sentence loudly. Okay, so here is the person who speaks. Okay, here is the person who speaks, but this speak who she speaks, then he also explains the way or method how she speaks. She speaks loudly, she speaks softly, she speaks slowly. Okay, and also you can see here is the right word, that this right word, this neatly word expresses how he writes. He writes neatly, he writes badly. Okay, he writes roughly, etc. are the word used for the verb that is the express the way, that is the express the method of the verb. Okay, so these type of the word when used in the sentence, that word will be the adverb of manner. Clear? Adverb of manner. I hope you understand it very well. It is the express the manner, like a man, when a man walk, then how he walk. He walk fastly, he walk hurriedly. Okay, he walks slowly. Okay, now when the teacher taught you, then he speak loudly, softly, okay, slowly, speedily, etc. are the word where that is the express the manner of the word. Okay, so these words will be the adverb of manner. Now next is adverb of degree. Okay, adverb of degree. First we know the definition of adverb of degree. The adverb of degree show the intensity. Okay, intensity or the degree of an action or a quality. Clear? It means adverb of degree tell us the degree or extent of an action of a quality, like I was very sick. I was very sick. I am so satisfied. I am so satisfied. Okay, I am so satisfied. So in this sentence, first is I was very sick. Okay, I was very sick. It is the this word. This very word tell us about the intensity or the degree of an action. Here the action was he became a sick. He became a sick. Then what is the degree or what is the intensity of the verb? That was the very. Okay, it is the tell a level of the verb. Okay, and in the second sentence, I am so satisfied. Here is the person that was the satisfied, and what is the level of the satisfaction? The satisfaction is so. Okay, he is so satisfied. He is little satisfied. Okay, so such type of the word that is the express the level or express the intensity or express the degree of the action word, that is the called adverb of degree. Okay, that is the called adverb of degree. Like what you have heard is absolutely true. In this sentence, absolutely word is a adverb. What kind of the adverb? It is the adverb of degree. Okay, where some of the word in a sentence express the action word, and it is the express its intensity, its level. What is the verb will the level. What kind of the verb that has a level, that is the intensity, that is the card. Here the sick, the person became a sick, and what is the sickness of the level? Varies. Okay, here the satisfied, a person was satisfied. What is the level of satisfaction? So satisfaction. And in place of so, if you write little, so little word also express the degree. Okay, it is also express the degree of verb. Clear? I hope you all understand it very well. And you can see here the sick and satisfied both are the adjective word. Okay, and you can see here adverb word also modifying or qualifying of verb, adjective and other word of adverb. Clear? Now next is you have to learn about the adverb of degree. Now next is adverb of region. Okay, we have to know next part of the verb, adverb, that is the adverb of region. Here adverbs of region. I think everyone know very well about the meaning of region. Okay, so let's know what is the adverb of region. Adverb of region express the region for an action. It is the express the region for an action. Okay, it means where here is the an adverbs. It means the adverbs of region state a region. They answer the question why. Okay, this adverb of region also when we use or when we put up the question why in a sentence, then it is the express its region or state its region. For example, you can see here is the word. He received a call from his father. He received a call from his father. He received a call from his father, therefore he left. Okay, it is a large sentence. So you can see here he received. Okay, he received a call from his father. Okay, he received. Okay, I think here the he received a call from his father, therefore he left. When you put up the question why he left, why did he left, then it is the question why did he leave, then answer will be he received a call from his father, therefore. Okay, so here is the word therefore. Therefore word that is the express the region of the living. Okay, this word tell why the person left. Okay, only this word express here the action word happened, and why this action word happened, because of he received a call. Okay, and this word complete the sentence by using itself. Clear? It means wherever adverb of region used in a sentence, this type of the word state a region, okay, state a region, and it is a it is also express an action, express a reason for an action. Clear? I hope you all understand it. I give you another example, like the teacher is ill. The teacher is ill. Here is the sentence, and therefore is unable to finish the lesson. Okay, here is the teacher is ill, therefore he is unable to finish the lesson. So here is the express the reason why why he is not complete his lesson, because he is ill. The teacher is ill, that is the reason he did not complete his lesson. So here the use therefore. Okay, as well as he was not in a good mood, he was not in a good mood, hence he opted out of the party. Clear? So here is the word hence word is a adverb of reason. Clear? Now next part is interrogative adjective. Okay, next part is interrogative, not adjective, it is the adverb. Okay, interrogative adverb. First we know the definition of interrogative adverb. So let's know. Interrogative adverbs are adverbs which are used at the beginning of a sentence to ask question. Okay, wherever you have to use a sentence, and when the sentence start with the question word and asking the question to someone, that in that sentence interrogative word will be the interrogative adverb. Okay, so example is, when are you reaching? When are you reaching Mumbai? Okay, Mumbai. Second example is, how did you get? How did you get here? Okay, so in both sentences you can see there are some word that is the use in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, and in this sentence the word is when and how are used, and both are the word used in a sentence to ask a question. Okay, it is the asking a question, okay, which are used at the beginning of a sentence. So this type of the word used when used in a sentence, that word, these words will be the interrogative adverb. Okay, interrogative adverb, just you can see here, use the when, and when you use when word in a sentence, then it is the asking about a time. So we can say that it is the express the time. This interrogative word express the time. Second is use how. Here is the work. Here is the work. The work will here is the asking a question. How the work will express. Okay. So how word express for a manner. Okay, and if you can use why are you sad, so why word is express the reason. Okay, so this interrogative adverb used in a sentence to asking different kind of the adverbs. Okay, so this type of the word used in a sentence, so these words will be interrogative adverb. Clear? So we can say that interrogative are adverbs which are used at the beginning of a sentence to ask a question. Clear? So I hope you all understand of the adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of region, and interrogative adverb. Clear? So it's complete. So thank you for the watching video. We have to meet in the next video.